Okay, so everyone knows cats are terrified of vacuum cleaners, right? So, cat, vacuum cleaner. Cat, vacuum cleaner. Okay, Sebastian, here it comes. Here comes the big scary vacuum cleaner. Teddy, do you mind if I vacuum? Can I get like right there? It's scary, Sebastian. Ooh, big scary vacuum cleaner. Scary. Thanks, buddy. Thank you. Like that spot right there. Yeah, it's gonna get you. Big, scary vacuum cleaner. Gonna get you. Coming to get you, buddy. Coming to get you. See, scary vacuum cleaner. Big, scary vacuum cleaner. You just maybe scoot over a little. Just a little. Thanks, Bubba. Yeah, be scared. Run.